Good morning, friends. Reproductive system. Human is universal organism. They show sexual dimorphism. The gonads present in the male and female is called testis and ovary. In female, mammary glands are well developed, while in male, these are in the form of vestigial organ. Humans are viviparous animal because after fertilization, embryonic development of egg in the uterus of female and after certain time a well-developed infant give birth. Male reproductive system. The following organs combine to form male reproductive system: testis, epididymis, vas deferens, urethra, accessory glands, and penis. Testis. One pair of testes are called primary sex organs. In male, they lies enclosed in a scrotum. The temperature of scrotum is to be 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the inner body cavity because spermatogenesis requires low temperature. So male scrotum is found outside the body cavity. Elephant and dolphin has scrotum inside the body cavity. Internal structure of testis. It is a long oval shaped 4 to 5 centimeter in length and 2 to 3 centimeter in width and 3 centimeter is thickness, and its weight is 15 gram. Each testis remain covered by peritoneum. Tunica vaginalis from the upper end of testis. A spermatic cord is arises. It passes through inguinal canal. In inguinal canal, spermatic artery, veins, nerves, fibers, connective tissues, and vas deferens is passes through inguinal canal. Internal structure of testis. Each testis remain enclosed in a testicular capsule and its outer covering is called tunica vaginalis and inner layer is called tunica albuginea, which gets inundated and forms क्या लिखते हैं ये equiginated and forms about 250 conical testicular lobules. ट्यूनिका वेजिनलिस आउटर मेम्ब्रेन, इनर जो है ट्यूनिका एल्बुजिनिया है, और ये जो आपको दिखाई दे रहा है ये ट्यूनिका प्रोपिया होता है। इसके अंदर होती है सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल। इस सेमनीफेरस ट्यूब्यूल से अपना टेस्टिकुलर कैप्सूल है और इससे 250 कोनिकल टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स अराइज होती हैं। ये दिखाया से 250 कोनिकल टेस्टिकुलर अराइज होती हैं और ये फिर वास फ्रेंसिया के द्वारा इस एपिडिडाइमस में ओपन हो जाती है। सेमी सर्कुलर ट्यूब्यूल्स. Seminiferous tubules are functional unit of testis because they produce sperm. These tubules are made up of germinal epithelium which rests upon a basement membrane called tunica propria. Germinal epithelium is differentiated into two types of cells: spermatogonia, it means germ cells. They undergo spermatogenesis to produce sperm. Spermatogenesis process के थ्रू इनसे sperm का formation होता है. Second अपनी Sertoli cells, they provides nutrition to the developing sperm. Head of sperms are embedded in these cells. Sertoli cells is also called supporting cells and nurse cells. These cells डिस्कवर्ड बाई एनलियो सर्टोली। एनलिको सर्टोली साइंटिस्ट ने इनको डिस्कवर किया था। इट इज दिस इज एन इटालियन बोटनिस्ट, जबकि इटालियन बोटनिस्ट था। इंटरस्टिशियल सेल्स, लिडिक सेल्स, these are endocrine cells that lies outside the seminiferous tubules and secretes androgen sex hormones testosterone, which control the secondary sexual characters of male. The hormones also stimulated the spermatogenesis. Secretion of androgen is controlled by LH, luteinizing hormone of pituitary glands. तो ये जब स्कूल ओपन होगा तो बेटा डिटेल से समझा पाएंगे, इससे बहुत बढ़िया समझाने को नहीं आ पाता है।